In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down menu in Base44. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to type so you can quickly build the drop-down you need inside your project. Let's start from the main dashboard of Base44. When you first log in, you'll see a list of your available projects. The first thing you want to do is select the project where you want to add your drop-down menu. Take a moment to scan through your projects and click on the one that's relevant to the page or interface you're working on. This is important, because any drop-down you set up will be saved inside this specific project, and you want to be sure you're editing the right place from the beginning. Once you've selected your project, you'll be taken into the project editor or preview area. Here, you'll usually see a canvas or layout where your interface is being built, along with some controls or panels where you can configure what appears on the screen. Look for the area where Base44 lets you input instructions or prompts. This is typically a text field where you can type in what you want to create or modify. In that input area, you're going to type in or describe the drop-down menu you want. Be as clear and specific as you can. For example, you might type something like, create a drop-down menu for selecting a status with options, to do, in progress and done, or add a drop-down filter at the top of the dashboard that lets me choose a date range. The more detail you include, the easier it is for Base44 to understand what you're trying to build and place it correctly in your layout. If you're not sure exactly how to phrase it, think in terms of what the user will see and do. Mention where the drop-down should appear, what options it should contain, and what its purpose is. You can always refine your description and try again if the result isn't quite what you expected. After you've typed your description, confirm or run the action according to how your Base44 workspace is set up. You should then see a drop-down element appear in your project based on what you described. From there, you can continue customizing its style, position, or behavior using the tools available in the editor. And that's all you need to get started with creating a drop-down menu in Base44.